Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Madhuri, Department of Computer Science from Mount Zion Metric Higher Secondary School. Today, I am going to teach 9th Standard Computer Science. Unit 1, Computational Thinking and Problem Solving. Before we move on to the lesson, we will see some learning objectives. Programming language, Scratch, launching Scratch, Scratch development environment, creating first Scratch project with backdrops and sprites. Programming. A computer program is a set of instructions that a computer follows in order to complete a task. All of you note down this. A computer program is a set of instructions that a computer follows in order to complete a task. So here what we understand that a computer program is a set of instructions. That means a programmer instructs the computer what it executes, in which order it executes the task. Coding or programming means writing a step-by-step instructions that tell the computer what to do. That means a programmer writes the programming and tells to the computer what it executes and in which order it executes. For example, we want to adding two numbers. What we want to do first? Write a first number and write a second number and go for a addition operation. Then only we will get a result. So likewise, the computer executes all the tasks given by the programmer one by one. Computer programs everywhere. I hope all of us know today's worlds are occupied by the machines, especially the computers performing a major role. So we are surrounded by the computer programs. This machines will follow the steps given in the computer program by the programmer. Examples: mobile phones, washing machines, cars, and computer games. So many of the devices and home appliances, gadgets we use every day are controlled by a program. Mobile phones. Mobile phones are controlled by a computer program. This computer program allows you to do the following using the mobile phone. So using mobile phone, you have to make a phone call, search for a contact, and send a text messages to other people. Washing machine. In computer programs controls the different speed cycles in the washing machine and also time duration for the flow of hot water. Cars. Computer programs controls the car speed and temperature, and also it helps amount of fuel in a tank and sometimes even in a brakes. Computer games. And also the computer programs controls the computer games in sounds and graphics, keyboard, mouse, and joystick controls. Next, we will know what is meant by computer. An electronic machine that can store, find, and arrange information and control other machines. Computer is an electronic machine that can store, find, and arrange the information and control other machines. Everything in a computer works because of the programs written by a computer programmer. We already learned this. So everything in a computer works because of the programs. The programs are written by a computer programmer. And computers might seem very smart, but they are actually following instructions or programs written by a computer programmer and carry out tasks efficiently. Programming language. A programming language is a set of instructions and other syntax used to create a software program. So suppose if we want to create any software program, we need a programming language. So using the programming language, we can able to create a software programs. In that, visual programming is more powerful because it simplifies the process of creating programming, animations, games, music, interactive stories, apps, and more. Scratch. Scratch is a simple and powerful visual programming language. Mainly, Scratch is designed to teach computational thinking using a simple but powerful building block approach. Scratch is mainly used to develop a software and that focuses more on problem solving than on specific syntax. Now we'll see the visual introduction to Scratch. Now if you see this picture, what do you understand? In this picture explains what is Scratch, what can I do with Scratch. So let us see first what is Scratch. So Scratch is a tool. So Scratch is acting as a tool and a language and a Lego set. So what we have to do using this Scratch? Using this Scratch, you can make art, music and games. Next, we will see some benefits of the Scratch. Scratch is used to write programs for interactive media such as stories, games, animation, art and music. This logical programming is a collaboration of entertainment and education. Here we should know what is meant by collaboration. Collaboration means collection. So, what they defined already, Scratch is mainly used for creating a programs for stories, games, animation and art. So, this logical programming is a collection of entertainment and education. Not only entertainment and education, it also helps to demonstrate mathematical problems, do some science experiments, and for language. Scratch is used to solve some mathematical problems. There are several tools that support. Especially the pen and move blocks allow students to make and learn about geometric shapes and their properties. Operators blocks can be used to create quizzes. Next, in science, it helps to do some experiments. In language, the poem can be expressed creatively in a story format or as a conversation. Next, we are going to launch a Scratch application. So let us see how to opening a Scratch application. Go for a Start button, All Programs. See here, the Scratch icon is visible. Just double click that particular icon. Now see, the Scratch application will open. So let us see the parts of the Scratch. Now see, this is a Scratch development environment. This is a menu bar. This is green flag, red stop sign, stage. This is a tabs, sprite list, block area and script area. Now come to the Scratch development environment. It is a title bar. Here the title will be visible Scratch to offline editor. So the title of the application will display on here. Next, menu bar. So display the menus and some tools also. Later we will discuss about these tools. Now come to the green flag. It is red sign. This area is called a stage. In bottom of the stage, the sprite pan. It is called a sprite pan or sprite list. The three tabs are there. It is called a block palette. And this is called a script area. Let us see one by one. Green flag. It is used to start the program. The red sign is used to stop the program. And stage is called a background of the project. We will see all the animation and games. What are all the animations are used for our project, we will see here. This is called a sprite list. So the sprites are objects or characters which you can use in your project. You have to use more number of sprites. The sprite pan contains the thumbnail view of all the sprites. What are all the, how many sprites are used in your project? All the sprites are displayed in your sprite pan. This is called the blocks palette. It contains the blocks. This is called the blocks. So totally called a blocks palette. Using this blocks, you have to give a comments to your project. Next, this is a script area. Just assemble your blocks in this area. So let us see how to creating a first project using Scratch. Go for a file option. Before that, now see, this is an empty place. Now I'll go for the new file. Click the new. Now see, the new file will be open. The file name is untitled. So now we have to create a backdrop for this stage. See the bottom of the stage, the 4 options are there. Choose backdrop from library, paint new backdrop, upload backdrop from file, new backdrop from camera. The first one, I have to choose the backdrop from library. Double click. See here, the lot of backdrop designs are there. You have to choose any one and OK button. Now see, this is a backdrop. See the script area. In this script area also, it display. What backdrop you have to choose, it will be display. Suppose if you want to edit your backdrop, you have to edit. So edit means you have to change it. What I want to change? I want to change some colors or designs. So I want to change a color now. Go for a tools. Okay, it is called a tools, displayed. I go for a color option. Click the color and select any one color and apply. Or if you want to apply. Okay, just apply. Now see your backdrop. It applied on your backdrop. Suppose if you want to make a copy of the backdrop, I want a new one, another one. That means what I want to do? Right click, click the option, duplicate. Now see, you have a 2 backdrops. So likewise, you have to add any number of backdrops. Suppose if I want to delete a backdrop, what I want to do? Just click the particular backdrop, close button. Now see, the backdrop is closed. Okay, let us go for the another option. Paint new backdrop. It means you have to draw your own backdrop. That is your wish. So I want to go and draw the new backdrop. Just click the option. Going to be draw. Take the fill color. Give some particular color. Now see, the color will be applied. The third one, upload backdrop from file. Suppose we want to play, take any picture from your desktop or your PC. See now that particular backdrop will be appear. The last one is new backdrop from camera. So you have to click the particular icon, take your picture and upload that particular picture in your backdrop. Okay. Suppose if you want to save your backdrop, right click, save to local file. Just give any name. The file will be saved on your backdrop. Now let us move how to creating a sprite. Go for a file option, click the new one. Okay. Here I want to add a sprite. See now, there are 4 options are there. The same thing what we studied already for backdrop. The first one, choose sprite from library. Click that icon. Go and choose any picture. And click OK button. Now see, that particular sprite will be appear. You have to place it anywhere. Next, you have to draw a new sprite. The same thing, to draw new sprite. Just give some color. Okay. The third one, upload sprite from file. Click and open. Now see. So we already know sprite means object. So all the objects are displayed in your stage as well as your sprite pan. See now, you are using a 3 sprites. So display one by one. Okay. Suppose if you want to save your file, what you have to do? Go for a file option, click the save, ask your name, give scratch 1. Now see, before it named as a untitled. While I give a save option, it will be saved scratch 1. So the name will be displayed here. The same thing for your sprite also. Have to add a backdrop. Click the duplicate. This will be added. How to close means click the close button. If you want to save to a local, click the save to local. Give some name. Click the save option. The file will be saved. So I hope all of them understand the lesson. Now we move on to the quiz time. We just recall some questions. What are the topics we discussed now? The first question, Dash is a simple and powerful visual programming language. The options are Scratch, HTML, MS Office. The answer is Scratch. Second question, logical programming in Scratch is a collection of dash and dash. The options are entertainment and education, evaluation and entertainment, exams and entertainment. The answer is entertainment and education. The third question, stage is called as the dash project. The options are front, background, middle. The answer is background. Fourth question, the dash pan contains a thumbnail view of all sprites. Costumes tab, sprite pan, stage. The answer is sprite pan. Clicking the red sign will dash the program. Start, stop, cancel. The answer is stop. So I hope all the students understand the first lesson. Thank you, students.